Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register for OpenClassrooms, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin your registration for OpenClassrooms, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in www.openclassrooms.com and press enter. Once the website loads, look for the sign up button located at the top right corner of the homepage. Click on the sign up button to proceed to the registration page. You will see options to sign up using an email address or a social media account. If you choose to register with an email, enter your email address in the designated field. Next, create a strong password that meets the platform's security requirements. Confirm your password by typing it again in the provided field. After filling in your credentials, click on the Create an Account button. If you prefer to sign up using a social media account, select the corresponding icon for platforms like Google or Facebook. Follow the prompts to authorize OpenClassrooms to access your account information. Once registered, you may be asked to complete your profile. Fill in any required fields, such as your name and a brief introduction about yourself. You may also need to select your interests or the field you wish to study. After completing your profile, review all the information for accuracy. When satisfied, click the Save or Next button to finalize your profile setup. Congratulations, you are now registered on OpenClassrooms. Explore the available courses to begin your learning journey. Feel free to navigate the platform to familiarize yourself with its features. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.